how to fix GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on your GTA V and go to properties, and now go to compatibility, and after that go to change settings for all users, and then just turn on this option and click Windows. You will find it like that, Windows 8, and then make it Windows 7 and click OK and OK again. Now just go to settings, and after that type here device manager and click on it. Now once you're here, click device display adapters and right click on your GPU and click update, and then make sure to update your GPU, and then all you need to do just try again and click run as administrator, and that's it. Then you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.